Hi everyone, my name is Shanice and this is my partner Yo. So today we would like to presenting step 12 and step 13, which is verification and documentation of HACCP plan. And our topic is aflatoxin in peanut butter based on the article here. Here is a FILA table. I make it short. For the first fact is aflatoxin is a cancer-causing chemical produced by this naturally fungus that present in soil. So our idea is aflatoxin present in peanut butter may be due to this fungus that produce this carcinogenic compound. As for learning issue, how does this aflatoxin develop in a raw peanut and can this aflatoxin be produced through other processes? As for the second facts, chemical aflatoxin is shown to be cause a liver cancer. So our idea is aflatoxin is considered as group 1 toxicant, which is proven to be mutagen to human health. And our learning issue is it dangerous? Is this aflatoxin? And what is the maximum limit of this aflatoxin exposure? And our action plan is we do a research of journal and refer to authorized standard set by Codex EU and FDA. Next, natural peanut butter contain more aflatoxin as compared to conventional one. So our idea is natural peanut butter has higher risk of containing aflatoxin. So our learning issue is why does the natural peanut butter contain more aflatoxin and is the process method destroy the aflatoxin and how? And the next fact is some natural or organic peanut butter may have higher aflatoxin due to the inadequate storage. So our idea is improper storage condition may be lead to the formation of the aflatoxin. And our learning issue is how aflatoxin formed during the storage and what are the proper storage conditions. For both, action plan is research for the relevant journal and previous research. The last fact is conventional peanut butter has lower level of aflatoxin yet has contamination issue, example pesticide. So our idea is commercial peanut butter contain chemicals but low amount of aflatoxin. So our learning issue is what is the chemical contamination is that and is it dangerous to human and what is the process that involved which can lower down this aflatoxin. So we do action plan by those research journal.
Here is the process flow for processing of peanut butter. Firstly, they will be receiving of raw materials. Sugar, vegetable oils, salt, and packaging material will be stored until further processing. The raw peanut will be passed through grading, storing, cleaning, aflatoxin test, shelling, roasting, cooling, first grading, and then it will mix with other raw ingredients. And then pass through second grading, homogenization, vacuum and de-airing and packaging into jar. Lastly, after inspection, it will be passed through distribution. Next is the HACCP plan summary for processing of peanut butter. There are total of 8 CCP identified from all the process steps. First CCP is the chill storage of raw peanuts. There are two hazards identified which are mold and aflatoxin. The maintenance member need to monitor the storage temperature and humidity daily. The second CCP is cleaning, which is hot water branching. The production member need to check against the thermometer and timer at every batch. The hazard identified in this step is salmonella and aflatoxin. The third CCP is roasting. The identified hazards here are salmonella, aflatoxin, and acrylamide. The production member need to check against the thermometer, timer, and also visual appearance of peanut at every batch. The fourth CCP is cooling. The production member need to check against the thermometer and timer at every batch. The identified hazard here is a salmonella. The fifth CCP is missing. The identified hazard here is mold and bacteria. The critical limit is no pathogen count. The production member need to check against a microbial test weekly. The sixth CCP is packaging. The production member need to have a visual check on sealing efficiency at every batch of production of peanut butter. And the seventh CCP is distribution. The identified hazard here is Salmonella, E. coli, and Aspergillus. And the maintenance member have to check against the thermometer in store area and or trunk and check on the remaining store monthly. And the last CCP is dry storage of other raw ingredients, and the maintenance member have to check the thermometer and hygrometer weekly. The critical limit for this step is the storage temperature and humidity, and the identified hazard is microbial growth such as molds and bacteria. Basically, for all of these, CCP have to record on the daily processing step record, and some of the CCP have to record in the microbiological test record and also chemical analysis record, and the corrective action and verification of all of these CCP can be referred to this table.
Okay, so the next part is verification. So the objective of the verification is to ensure the CCP is effectively controlled and monitored, and to ensure the overall HACCP system is carried out accordingly. So we know verification activities shall be recorded. As you can see here in our slide, it is being recorded. Example, activities like HACCP plan, which is monitor result. The method that we conducted by reviewing the process step record. And the frequency is we done it when there's the change in critical limits in the process or the equipment. And the person in charge are the one who responsibility is the HACCP team leader. Same goes under the food safety system. Example, we got customer complaint and customer feedback. By reviewing the complaint and feedback from the customer, and we done it monthly, the verification. The next is PRP activity. For the PRP activity, we got like many, but I take example for the facilities. As for the facilities, we're doing an inspection of facilities such as the company location, construction, and the ventilation. We review the cleaning and sanitation schedule and plan layout. Also, this one is undergo monthly, and the person responsible is HACCP team leader. And yeah, this is the next one. And another one is product and process. Example, we take microbiological tests of raw material and finished product. By we carrying out the microbiological tests on both raw material and finished peanut butter, and we review on the microbiological test record. And also this been done monthly, and the person is responsible is HACCP leader.
Lastly is the documentation. Every single procedure in processing of peanut butter have to be documentation, and there will be many documents available, and I will show some example here. The first one is daily processing step record, and there will be records for other processing step, and the example I show here is for roasting. And there are some important criteria in this document, which are corrective action and critical limits. Second one is cleaning and sanitation schedule, and this is a product recall verification form. This is used to record the product that recalled by the industry. And this is a breakdown maintenance report, and microbiological test record, and also chemical analysis record. And this is an internal audit report. And from this slide, we can see that there are some parts from audit compliance checklist. And the last one is verification schedule. That's all from us. Thank you.